If you are into distribution of any financial products like mutual funds, insurance, equities, health insurance, or even company fixed deposits, today I would like to discuss with you how the business of personal financing has evolved with duration of time, as I have been involved in the asset management space, that is mutual fund space, for more than a decade. So I just would like to discuss how the game has changed over a period of time, and how most of the distributors and advisors who are related with the financial products, especially targeting to individuals, has evolved over a period of time, and what steps which you need to take so that you are at pace with the changing times. Hello friends, I am Shobit from Mentor Shobit, and today I am going to discuss with you how the game of personal advising, personal financial products advising has changed, and what you need to take care of so that you are at pace with the market, and how you can evolve your game so that you are not dependent upon our particular products. So most of my experience has been that the advisors who are dealing with various financial products, don't have a diversified portfolio. So what I mean by diversified portfolio is now the personal financial space has evolved as the demography has changed, the financial literacy is increasing. There are a lot been effort by various uh, regulatory agencies like SEBI, IRDA to educate and inform investors regarding various products. So now more and more people or more and more customers are looking at those financial advisors like who are more like their financial planners, who can help and advise them on various aspects of financial planning. So what I mean by financial planning, if you want to know in details, I have created a separate episode on that. You can check on my YouTube channel, Mentor Shop. Just to come in, and to come back to the subject, when we talk about personal finance, we are not only looking at investments, we are also looking at advice on borrowings. It can be for home loan, personal loan, or for any immediate financial needs. It can also be for protection in terms of insurance or in general, or health or life insurance. It can be for tax planning. It can be for even a will writing, as we say. So there are multiple aspects of financial planning which now investors are looking from their financial advisors. That's why you need to evolve your game to become a financial planner instead of being just a financial advisor of any particular product. So to evolve your game, what you need to do, that we need to understand, and that's what I am going to discuss with you. First of all, you need to evolve your skill sets. What I mean by increasing our skill sets is we need to evolve our game and understand various financial products. We can't say I am only a mutual fund advisor or an insurance agent. We need to have we need to give clients holistic picture about each and every financial aspects which a client can come with. We need to have information about loans, which are the companies or which are the vehicles through which we can have lesser cost on our loan borrowings. We should also have understanding of how to evolve or how to ascertain the future financial needs for various financial goals. At the same time, we should also be aware of how we need to plan the taxes of the client so that he don't have to have a too much burden at the end of the financial year. So there are multiple aspects which you can learn in the video which I have posted on YouTube and Facebook. If we don't have knowledge on those subjects, then the client will be also always wanted of. And the other important aspect is, when if we are not able to handle each and every aspect, then the client will on look for some other individuals or advisors to deal on those subjects, and in that sense your attention of the client will be diverted. This will also help you in creating multiple source of income for yourself also, because in case you are not advisor or you are not registered with them, you can have affiliates with other services so that you can have passive income. So you need to create your knowledge on various aspects. That is very important. The other aspect is once you have understand or you have gained the knowledge, you need to create content on those subjects and create a database so that your clients or those who are coming in contact with you will be able to consume those contents. And once those contents are consumed by your knowns or you unknowns, they will that will help you in prospecting future clients. So this is very important that you have a value chain on in which once the customer comes in, he feels that you are adding lot of new value to his life, and you are helping him in each and every aspect, and this is a great step in prospecting your clients. So once you have client who are prospecting, or once you have queries coming in, then you should also know how to close the deals. Then most of that time we give lot of knowledge to our customers, but we are not able to close or we are not able to sell the services which we are offering. So we need to also up our game so that we can cross sell, upsell to existing clients, and we can also sell new products or services to new clients. So this is also very important aspect. And the last part is we should also learn how to nurture the existing clients or prospecting clients. Nowadays, friends, it is very difficult to close a deal in first or two meetings. These take lot of nurturing, lot of advising, lot of value addition to the clients, so that you are able to create your brand image in the minds of the customer, and this is very important. So nurturing of the clients has now become more and more important, and for that, as I told you, these four stages has to be kept in mind. You need to expand your knowledge base. On that, you need to create content so that you can help your existing and future prospecting clients to come into your net. And once they have come into your net, you need to also learn the art and science of selling your services to them. Closing of the sales is very important because that only brings money to you. And the last part is how you're going to nurture your existing clients and your prospecting clients so that you keep on adding value to their life. So this is the first stage where you need to up your skill sets. So once you have created your skill sets, you need to create your service offering. So once the client has come, what are the various services which you are going to offer so that you can monetize your services? So the first step is you need to create a tripwire course, a tripwire service. I mean by tripwire, as the name suggests, it is just helping the client to come to your net. Tripwire, right? The client has to trip into your wire or net. So that should be a basic offering, which is more like a free offering, or a value addition which you are going to give to a client, through which he will come to your ecosystem, in which you will be helping him in understanding and gaining more insights on various aspects of financial planning. So once he has come to your net, the second service offering which you can do is coaching. What we mean by coaching is you can create a ready-made product, say recorded sessions of on various aspects of financial planning or various financial products, which you can sell to him in case client think that he can take his own decisions by going through your ready-made courses. So that can be offered here. Your personal time consumption will be low, but it will be a ready-made product which you can sell to everyone or anyone who thinks that he can take decision on his own. The third and important aspect, which will be a cash cow for you, will be the consulting game. What I mean by consulting game, it is more like a one-to-one where you will go through each and every aspect of the client on your own, and then you will study and give him his personal game plan. So this will be your core product through which you will be able to monetize, and last will be creating a affiliate source of income. Friends, it is very important. We have only 24 hours, one mind, two hand, and two legs. We can't do each and everything our own. We need to diversify, right? So what we need to do is, suppose will writing. which we are not aware of or we are not expert of. So we should have tie up with some agencies who can help clients in writing their bills. And since you are sourcing those clients, and then you can create a affiliate income from that. In the same way, if you are into say mutual fund industry or you are into stock broking, you are not aware of other financial products, so you can create a multiple source of income. In the same way, you need can have multiple other ways through which you can monetize your database. So this is also an important aspect. So these four service offering which should have we should give you monetary gains should be designed and well structured. So this is the second aspect which you need to evolve. And the third important aspect is the delivery system. What I mean by delivery system is first thing is what are the transaction platforms you are using to offer your service. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are into say mutual fund space, and then you need to create a transaction platform through which you are able to help and guide investor to invest or do other operations. Here the important thing which you need to understand is the platform should be neutral in a sense that if it is online, well and good, so that you can help clients from anywhere in India or world to do transaction on a real-time basis. The more and more you are on an online transaction platform, the better it is for you, because it reduces your time and effort and manpower also. And the chances of going wrong or creating mistakes in the applications will be also on a lower side. So the transaction platform is important. Then the service automation. What I mean by service automation is how you are engaging clients at a various point of time. So in case you are you advising clients on various aspects, whether you are able to send him portfolio valuation on a say monthly or quarterly basis. If the client's insurance premiums are due, whether you are able to engage with clients on a 15 or 20 days before the premium is due. And this all has to be automated so that you are reducing your time of all the hassles which are going to come with that. So we should be very mindful of it. The automation will also help in educating clients on various subjects. Suppose you have created any content which you think that it will add value to a client, so there should be automation so that it is auto triggered to your clients and you need not to do everything manually. This will also give you insight how your client is engaging. There are a lot of softwares which will tell you whether whatever information you are sending to your clients, they are consuming or not, or if they are consuming, at what pace they are consuming. So it will give a great insight to your relationship with the investors. And the third important aspect is data mining. Whatever clients you have or whatever engagement you are doing with clients, we need to understand how they are engaging, or if they are consuming your service, what services they are not consuming or they don't have, how you can cross sell or upsell various products. Suppose you have the client has come to your net by taking any insurance product, and if I know how many clients are there who are not having investment products from you, how you can engage with them. So data mining nowadays has been is very important. How many clients are there who are in your net, who are in your ecosystem, and they have not taken any services, just consuming your information. So you can devise a different strategy for them. There should be online and offline both kind of strategy which can give you insight. Fourth important aspect is the community building. The tribe which you will build will create a great ecosystem and create a lifelong relationship with your client. This will also help you in cross-selling, upselling, or taking referrals from your client. So these are the three important aspects, friend, which now has evolved as I have understood while working for more than 13 years in the mutual fund space. Now there is no time you to engage in only one service offering or two service offering. You need to give holistic picture. When I talk about holistic picture, what I mean is you need to help him with investments, you need to help him with borrowings, you need to help him with production, you need to help him with taxations, you need to help him with the uh, will writing. So these are the important aspects which a full-fledged financial planners offer, and it is not a huge task, friends. So once you understand each and every aspect, you will be able to give a holistic picture, and this will also help you creating multiple source of income. So in case you think this is a good strategy, I have created a comprehensive course on making next generation financial planners, and for that I am conducting a 30 minutes free webinar where I will tell you how you can evolve your game in all these three aspects, that is your skill set, your service offerings, and as well as your delivery system. In case you like this idea, to give your contact details, I will send you my webinar information, and I will see you in my live webinar. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.